We have to paint these in the same manner as we painted everything out, otherwise they won't look like they're part of the scene. So what have we got? We've got a dark on the bottom. Again, leave a little bit of white paper behind for a bit of sparkle. And then we've got some warmer brown, so I just use some burnt sienna on its own. There's a little highlight on the top, which we've got white paper there, which was what we were aiming to do. The neck. And then some cadmium red or pyrrole red, whatever you've got, straight from the tube, just thick paint. A blob for the head, and that's that chicken done. And then we've got a white chicken, so maybe a little bit of blue and alizarin crimson. I use cobalt blue and alizarin crimson, just very, very watery for the shadow at the bottom. And at the end of the day, as long as you've got something that resembles a chicken shape and it's got a red head, what else is it going to be? No. We could go just a little bit darker right at the base. And maybe just a little bit there. And then there's another brown one next to it. And these can be painted quite loose. And having a bit of white paper around them just gives them a bit of sparkle. Another one there. Once you've painted some chickens like this, now you'll remember how to do them, and there'll be times where you can add some chickens into your little farmyard scenes and things confidently, because you know the shape. Obviously there's quite a few chickens here, so it's a good bit of practice. A little bit too purpley blue with that one. So obviously these white chickens, it's reflected light we're seeing on the underside of them there from the grass above. Below, should I say. But I just use the water to just, as long as I retain some white of the paper, it's the red little dot we're going to do here that is the important part. For this shadow part here, nice and strong, but again, just break it up. Just take a clean brush, just damp, just soften that a little bit. And I've got quite a lot of white paper between them where I've either forgotten to paint or not painted. I'd leave it. If you try and fill it in, it's going to make a right mess, and it looks fine. So hopefully you enjoyed that little snippet there of painting those chickens. If you want to watch the full demonstration of that tutorial, it was quite an in-depth tutorial, that one, that we covered a lot of techniques on that one, that a lot of planning was required. That if you join tier 2 of my website, you'll get access to obviously the full video and there's also links to the reference images that I used and information that I talk about on the video, and obviously the traceable. So that's available on tier 2. There's a lot of content on the website now. I think we've got nearly 200 videos we've done in 2025 on the watercolour channels alone. So there's a nice variety there. So there's something for everybody. That I try to cover as many subjects as possible. That I know animals tend not to be that popular on this channel. I'm sure they're obviously popular for some people, but I quite enjoy painting animals. But chickens, like little things like that, are ideal for landscapes as well, because you might want to put a bit of life in the scene. So I thought I'd share that one with you. But if you want to support the channel, you can join me on the website. If you speak English, it's best to do it via the website, because you get better you get a better experience, I think, on the website. If you don't speak English and you want the YouTube translations, join YouTube membership, because that's where you get the translations. But also YouTube take quite a big cut of that, which is fair enough, because they work hard for it, and they're a great platform. And if you want to give maximum support to the channel, do it through the website. But either way, it's much appreciated. Your support is what keeps all these videos coming. And we'll be doing lots of snow scenes on the membership over the next few weeks as we're getting to that season. So I've just done this one, which has just been uploaded to the website now. So again, all the reference images are there available. And we also have got a members forum as well. So I'll just take you to the forum. So I post on here. So anyone who has a go at this painting can post under there. And this is a private members forum, so it's just for members. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.